Bryant Thermostat with V plus VG RS plus RS wires. Can I replace it with a Nest?
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Just want to replace the thermostat with Nest.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Was planning to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It is a 4-zone system.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. The system you have is not compatible with any other type of aftermarket T-stats. The interface main stat and sensors are a communicating type system. It does not use 24-VAC to control equipment. The system uses DC signals between interface and control board. Contact your local carrier dealer. Carrier carries Wi-Fi thermostats. http://www.carrier.com/homecomfort/EV thermostat/. Best regards customer/P.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.